Hey, I'm Kit Lyle from the Operators. We often talk about value creation. There are 6 levers of value creation. You can see them on your screen here. We're going to tackle number 2 right now. Just very briefly at a high level, we'll kind of tell you what the sub levers are of this particular lever, number 2, operational efficiency. So we'll go through them quickly. Sub lever number 1 is process optimization and operational efficiency. So basically figuring out ways to move things more rapidly. Productivity, delivery performance. How do we get to the point of delivering a product or service more rapidly? What are the processes, systems, technology that we can take advantage of, maybe that we're not today, that'll make things more efficient for the business? Information technology or computer technology systems. We often talk about ERP, but it's a lot more than that. What are we missing, for example, for a company of this size and stage and scale and situation? Quality control and improvement. And then we go into pricing and cost management, margin improvement. So pricing is more a lever of organic growth, but I've included it here nonetheless. And then we get into innovation and improvements, continuous improvement and best practices. This is relevant not just in a manufacturing environment, but frankly, in any environment, you can look for better practices. Digital assets. So look for ways to turn your ways of doing things internally into something that's monetizable, non-physical offerings. Service optimization. And now we're getting into some of the more, well, we get into supply chain and procurement and maximizing our leverage in terms of supplier base. Strategically outsourcing. What should we outsource that we're not? And then what should we insource, perhaps that we have outsourced previously? And then a few more that are kind of in the periphery: physical asset management, safety, compliance, document and SOP management. So we have a record. And then the last one is ESG, or what's now more commonly referred to as regenerative transformation. So again, within the Operators, we talk a lot about value creation levers. This is just one of 6. It's called operational improvement. And if you'd like to learn more about the other levers or dive more deeply into this, we have a fairly substantial library of these kinds of slide decks. And we have turned this into a course as well. So if you'd like to learn more, visit us at theoperators.pe. You can also email me, Kit, at theoperators.pe. Thanks for watching.